Filmmaker Shekhar Kapoor, who was to work with Sushant Singh Rajput in his ambitious directorial venture Pani, said that he must be remembered for his films and performances. He added that the actor must not be reduced to a million theories of why he killed himself or a man who was depressed. I think part of us loves drama because we are in the movie business, and any business that has high profile people look for drama. Right now we are going through the phase where everybody is talking, it is dramatic. I am hoping that the dramaticness of it will go away. We are short term attention span people. This is what social media has made us. Gone are the days when the mind was settled, but hopefully in Sushant's case the mind will settle, and when it settles we will watch his films again and we will understand what he brought to this business, he said in an Instagram live with Manoj Bajpayee. Shekhar opened up about his experience of collaborating with Sushant on Pani. After months of preparation, the film was shelved due to the producers Yash Raj Films backing out of the project. Shekhar said that when he met Sushant for the first time, he was like meeting a child. He was bouncing up and down, so excited that he was going to work with me and do Pani. The great thing about Sushant that I noticed was that acting did not stop with rehearsing the lines or reading the script or doing the moments. His interest went away beyond. Every time I had a meeting with the production designer or the DOP or VFX team, he was there, the filmmaker said. Shekhar said that Sushant was fully immersed in the character from Pani, Gora, and would call at 2 or 3 in the night or come over to discuss the smallest details. The filmmaker said that it became an addiction for him. During the 3 months of preparation, Shekhar kind of fell in love with Sushant. He said that the actor was heartbroken when the film was shelved. When the film was shelved and he realized he wasn't doing the film, he cried a lot. I cried too. I would cry every time he cried because I was also passionately and deeply involved with it. Our lives are full of up and downs. This term depression, I am not saying that depression does not exist. I am saying that we play with depression. As creative people, it is an emotion that we play with, he said. Shekhar shared that during the meeting of Pandit Queen, he would go into a room and shout at the top of his voice to vent out his emotions and then watch the edit. During the shoot, I was angry. I don't want to be angry when I am watching the edit, otherwise how can I judge? Those are kind of lives we lead. We push ourselves. Sushant would always push himself in every little way. Every cell of his would be involved. How can you come out of that easily? You can't. Manoj asked Shekhar what was troubling him about Sushant's death, to which he said, I am troubled about the things that I didn't do. The producer said, we will not make Pani with Sushant. Pani will not be made. I should have tried to make another film with him, which I didn't. I left India as I was angry and upset, he said. Shekhar said another thing that bothers him is in fact that he did not call or visit Sushant in the last 6 months. He said that even if they are not discussing a film, they could talk about so many things, whether it was quantum physics or anything else. Manoj pointed out that Sushant's death has left people very angry and asked Shekhar why that is. The anger is coming from the recognition of people like you who are not showing to the world that stardom the way we imagine. वो असली स्टारडम नहीं।